So today I finally get the opportunity to share with you guys Anker's brand new 757 power station. Ever since I saw this product, I wanted to give it a try and share my thoughts and experience of this product with you guys. And of course, that is what I'm going to be doing today. Now, as always, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. So of course, the first things first, let's take a look at the actual box and what comes inside of this package as well. When we flip it open here, you see that on the top we get greeted with before you use. This is going to be all your cables, essentials that you need to charge. You have, of course, your charging cable for the 757. You also have your solar panel cables as well, and your car socket solar panel cables are also included in the box as well. Now, something that always you want to keep in mind is the warranty. This one has a 5-year warranty with it, so you have peace of mind, and of course the instructions manual. Now underneath we find the 757 Anker Powerhouse. I really like their design. The way they put this thing together is super sleek, compact, easy to carry around. So let's go ahead and take a look at everything Anker 757 Powerhouse has to offer. So on the front we find a display button with display information, battery, and all that good stuff. We also have a built-in light, which is very useful with 3 different brightness levels. We also have the AC outlet with 6 outlets to choose from, a car socket, of course, so you can use any additional accessories, and we also have a power savings mode, which is super handy when you're running things overnight. Now you also have all your mobile device needs, so a 100-watt USB-C, 60-watt USB-C, and 4 USB-A ports are on board here as well. Flip it around the back, we have the solar car input, we also have the overcharge protection, and the AC input are also in the back underneath this flap right here. Now, one of the best features of Anker's 757 Powerhouse is that it's solar panel compatible, so if you're out and about and you're off the grid, you can charge this thing, and it has built-in hyper fast charging, so fast charging technology built in. It goes from 0 to 80 in 1 hour. I was really impressed with the charging capabilities of the 757. Now, in regards to batteries, inside this features the latest and greatest LFPs. These batteries remain healthy even after over 3,000 complete charging cycles, which is a lot higher than the 500 average from the industry. Now, a lot of this technology is also found on Anker's other products like the Power on the Go 521 Powerhouse or the Power Your Essential Needs 533 Powerhouse. Anker also offers the all-around portable power station, which is the 535 Powerhouse, and the Enough Power for Any Adventure 545 Powerhouse is also available. If you want to learn more about Anker's products, of course, all the links will be in the description down below. So let's go ahead and talk a little more about my experience. Of course, I took the 757 Powerhouse Anker station on the go with me. It was easy to travel with, very portable, very compact. As you can see here, it fits very easily on the trunk of my vehicle. Of course, we built our tent, we set up everything ready for the night, and the first problem we tackled with the 757 was the inflatable mattress that we used for the night, and it took care of that with no problem. Obviously, we also plugged in additional accessories, things like a mini fridge. We also plugged in a fan and also plugged in a night light, which we need to stay overnight, and everything was powered very nicely. We also powered our iPad mini, which we brought along the trip here just to keep it nice and charged for overnight, maybe video game plans and things like that. And of course, I was plugging in my iPhone to this one as well to keep it charged overnight as well. Now, keeping the fridge running overnight was essential for us, of course, since we do have a few things that we need to keep cool. We have the fan here, we also have our night light, as you can see, but inside the fridge we kept our water, we also kept additional beverages, and also some medications that we do have to keep cool. We kept it inside the mini fridge, and the Anker kept it nice and cool overnight. Everything was ready to go, as you can see here, without a problem. We got through the entire night. So the Anker 757 portable power station is definitely a great piece of technology to have, and I wanted to share the final thoughts and details, some of my favorite features that I found the most useful before I let you guys go. Number one, I want to talk about the fast charging. This is essential, from 0 to 80 in about 1 hour, and I think it's actually faster than that, but yeah, it really charges up quickly and it lasts all night. I also want to talk about the power saving mode. So I had my mini fridge with my beverages, my fan, and all my medication inside the fridge, and it kept everything running overnight with the power saving mode. So that's also an amazing feature, something that I really like. And that about brings it into this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, check out Anker's all power stations will be linked in the description. Everything you need to know will be down below. Thank you for watching today's video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.